EPS teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the DPS teleclass. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today I am going to take a maths lesson for you. Today we are going to learn something very interesting and easy. Are you all ready? Okay, if then let's start the lesson. But before we begin the lesson, let's read the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Now I am going to share you the learning intention of today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about odd and even numbers, prime numbers, lowest common multiples, LCM, factorization and square numbers. And the success criteria. You will be successful if you are able to identify odd numbers and even numbers. If you can sort out the odd and even numbers correctly, you will be successful in today's lesson. And find the prime numbers less than 100. Find the lowest common multiples of two numbers. You will be given pairs of numbers and you have to find out the LCM of the given numbers. Factorizes numbers to 100 into prime factors. And solve the square numbers. Let's learn about odd and even numbers. Even numbers. Any number that can be divided exactly by 2 is an even number. For example, 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So, if 6 can be divided exactly by 2, it is an even number. Even numbers always end with a digit of 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 12, 24, 26, 28 are even numbers. Here 12 ends with 2 and 24 the last digit is 4. So these are even numbers. Odd numbers. Any number that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is an odd number. For example, 5 cannot be divided evenly by 2. So it's an odd number. Odd numbers cannot be divided evenly into groups of 2. Example 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. Products of even and odd numbers. The product of an even number with an odd number always results in an even number. It means an even number multiplied by an odd number, the result will be or the answer will be an even number. Example 2 into 5. Here 2 is an even number and 5 is odd number. So if we multiply 2 into 2 and 5, the answer is 10. 10 is an even number. Another example 7 into 8. Here 7 is an odd number and 8 is an even number and the result is 56. 56 is an even number and the product of an even number with an even number always result in an even number. If we multiply an even number with an even number, the answer will be an even number. Example, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Here 2 is an even number and the answer 4 is also an even number. And the second example, 6 into 8. 6 and 8 are also even numbers and here the result 48 is also an even number because the last digit is an even number. The product of an odd number with an odd number always results in an odd number. When we multiply an odd number with another odd number, it will result in an odd number. Example, 3 into 7 equal to 21. Here 3 and 7 both are odd numbers and the answer 21 is also an odd number. Now I am going to explain you how to do this activity. In this activity we are going to sort out these ice cream scoops into these two balls. One is odd and another one is even. Now let's start. The first number is 1. So, is this an odd number or even number? Okay, this is an odd number. So, it will go here. Number 2. Is this odd or even? Yes, great. This is an even number. 3. Yes, this is odd number and another one is 4. 4 is an even number. Let's take 5. 5 is an odd number or even number. Well done. This is an odd number. Now let's take 6. 6 is an even number. So it will go this side. Number 7. This is an odd number. So it will go here. And finally the last one, number 8. It is an even number. Okay, so it will go here. Now the work is completed. Now let's do the first activity. Activity 1. Sort out the ice cream scoops into the correct bowl. Here 2 bowls are given, odd and even. You have to sort out these ice cream scoops into the correct bowl. Let's learn about prime numbers. A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. For example, 5. 5 can be only divided by 1 and 5 itself. So, 5 is a prime number. And remember that 1 is not a prime number. Now let's see the prime numbers less than 100. How do prime numbers work. Can you see these two examples? In the first example, 13 has only two factors, that is 1 and 13. So 13 can be divided by 1 and 13 itself. So this is a prime number. And in another example, 4. 4 has three factors. 4 itself, 1 and 2. So 4 is not a prime number. Now let's do the activity related to prime number. Here is your activity 2. In the first question, list all the prime numbers up to 100. And in the second question, how many prime numbers are there between 35 and 85? And list out all the numbers between 35 and 85. Lowest common multiples, LCM. Here is one example of lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. And multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Here there is two numbers in common, 12 and 24. Can you see? But here we are going to find out the lowest common multiples. So the lowest common multiples is 12. 12 is the lowest common multiples of 4, 3 and 4. Now let's try this example. Example 2. Find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. Here, what are the numbers in common? Yes, 24 and 48. They are common multiples. But here we are going to find out lowest common multiples. The lowest common multiple of 6 is 24. Here is another way to find out lowest common multiples of LCM. This is an easy way. To do this number, first divide the numbers by the factors of any of the three numbers and just copy the number to the next row if it cannot be divided. For example, here the three numbers are divided by 2. But 3 cannot be divided by 2 and 9 cannot be divided by 9. So, write the numbers as it is in the second row. You have to stop when all the numbers are reduced to 1. See the last row, they are reduced to 1 and after that multiply all these numbers from the left column. Here the factors are 2, 3 and 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 into 3 are 18. So the lowest common multiples of 3, 6 and 9 are 18. Let's do the activity 3. Here you have to find out the lowest common multiples of the following pairs of numbers. A, 4 and 6. B, 5 and 15, C, 3 and 9. D, 12 and 14. And the last one, 8 and 10. Factorization. Prime factorization is the process of expressing a given number as a product of prime factor. Here is an example. Factors of 100. First, two factors of 100 are 10 and 10. When we multiply 10 and 10, it will come 100. So, and two factors of 10 are 2 and 5. Here the same. So the factors of 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Students, now I am going to explain you how to do rainbow factorization. Here I have given 15. So let's find out the factors of 50. First one is 1. 1 into how much will be 15? Yes, 50. 1 into 15 are 15. And second factor is 3. 3 into 5 are 15. So these are the factors of 15. Now let's do the activity 4. Rainbow factorization. Do this activity in your notebook. Let's learn about square of numbers. Multiplying a number by itself results in its square. Example, 1 into 1 is equal 1, and here 2 into 2 is equal 4, and 3 into 3 is equal 9, and 4 into 4 are 16. So here the square number of 16 is 4, the square number of 9 is 3, and square number of 4 is 2. We can find the squares of multiples of 10 by mentally using the given technique. See the example here. Calculate 30 and 30 and 60 into 60. Here you can multiply 30 into 30 mentally. Just you have to calculate this 3 into 3 first. It is equal to 9, and then add 2 zeros in the end. And same goes to this 60 and 60. Just multiply 6 and 6 first, which is 36, and add 2 zeros in the end. You will get 3600. Here is your last activity, activity 5. You are going to solve the following numbers in your notebook. Now let's recall today's success criteria. You will be succeed in this lesson if you can identify odd and even numbers, find the prime numbers less than 100, find the lowest common multiple of two numbers, factorizes numbers to 100 into prime factors, and solve the square numbers correctly. So this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Please complete your work on time. Be safe. Bye-bye.
EPS teleclass